Hi children, today we are going to discuss about nervous system. Okay, so our body consists of several parts or several organs. Each organ has a job to do. For example, lungs is the very important organ in our body. Our lungs absorb oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Next, another organ, heart. Heart is also one of the important organ in our body. Your heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Next important organ, stomach. Your stomach helps to digest food. What is this, children? This is human eye. So eye is the window through which we can see the beautiful world around you. The organs in the body do not work alone. They work together with other organs. Several organs working together perform one major function for their body. For example, the stomach alone cannot digest food. Other organs such the teeth, salivary glands, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas and some others work together with the stomach to digest the food you eat and throw out the waste. These organs working together form a system. The organs which help to digest food together form the digestive system. The main systems in your body and their functions are given below. Right? See children, this is the table of body systems and organs, its main function. Okay, see here body systems, number of body systems. How many body systems are there? Here nervous system, skeletal system, circulatory system, digestive system, breathing system, excretory system and reproductive system. These are the body systems, right? See here main organs and its functions also there. Okay, observe here. First of all, nervous system. The nervous system main organs are brain, spinal cord and nerves. These are the main organs in nervous system, right? So the nervous system main function. What is the main function of nervous system? See here. It controls all functions of the body, right children? Next one is the skeletal and muscular system. Okay, the main organs in skeletal and muscular system is bones and muscles. Okay, so what is the main function? See here, it gives shape, protects internal organs and helps movement of body parts. This is the main function of skeletal system, right? And next one is circulatory system. The circulatory system main organs, heart, blood vessels. These are the main organs in circulatory system. What is the main function? The circulatory system. See here, it carries food and oxygen to all parts of the body and it collects waste materials, right? Next body system is digestive system. Here in this digestive system main organs, teeth, stomach, small and large intestine, right? So here the main function, what is the main function of digestive system? It digests food which provides energy. This is the main function of digestive system. Next one, breathing system. The breathing system is also called respiratory system. The breathing system main organs, nose and lungs, right? The function of respiratory system or breathing system. It absorbs oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Right? Next one, excretory system. Here the excretory system main organs, kidney and skin. The main function of excretory systems are, it removes wastes from the body. Right? Next one, reproductive system. The last system in our body, reproductive system. The reproductive system main organs different in males and females. Okay children. Next, what is the main function of reproductive system? It produces children or young generation. This is the reproductive system main function. Right? These are the body systems in our human body and main organs and main functions. Do you understand children? Okay children, let us discuss about nervous system. The system that controls all other systems of the body is the nervous system. It is made up of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. These are the main organs in nervous system. Okay. The nerves carry messages from all parts of the body to the brain through the spinal cord. The brain studies the messages, decides what action need to be taken, and sends instructions to body systems through the spinal cord and nerves. Okay children. For example, when you run, the brain sends instructions to the circulatory system and the breathing system to work faster, right? The nervous system also controls our sense organs. To see anything, eyes need the help of nervous system. Similarly, the other sense organs, ears, tongue, nose and skin also need the nervous system to do the jobs. Without the nervous system, you cannot see, hear, smell, taste, feel, walk, run, think or do anything else. Okay children? Children, observe this picture. What is this? This is human brain. Okay. Your brain is the most remarkable organ in your body. It is protected by bony skull. It looks like a walnut and is the control center of whole body. It like a supercomputer. Our brain like a supercomputer. It controls everything that goes in your body. It stores a lot of information, can recall the information when we need it. This is called memory. What are reading right now is getting stored in your brain. Okay children? Next, your brain has mainly three regions. Your brain has three main regions. One is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum and third one is medulla oblongata or the brain stem. These are the regions in our brain. Okay, first one, cerebrum. First part is cerebrum. It is the largest part of our brain. This is the thinking part of our brain and it controls our memory, thoughts, intelligence and learning. It also controls the sense organs. This part is much bigger in humans than in other animals. That's why humans are more intelligent than other animals, right? And next, second part, the cerebellum. This is found at the back of our head. It controls the movement. It controls the movement, the muscles, and helps you to keep your balance. Next, third point, the medulla oblongata or the brain stem. It is the lower portion of our brain and looks like a stem. It joins the brain to the spinal cord. This part controls involuntary actions such as breathing and circulation. Each side of our brain contains 4 lobes. One is frontal lobe, second one is parietal lobe, third one is occipital lobe, fourth one is temporal lobe. These are the lobes in our brain. Okay, let us discuss about frontal lobe. The frontal lobe responsible for problem solving, emotional traits, reasonings, speaking, voluntary motor activity. These are the functions in frontal lobe. And second one is parietal lobe. It is responsible for knowing right from left, sensation and reading and body orientation. These are the functions. Next, third lobe, temporal lobe. It is responsible for hearing, recognizing language and forming memories. These are the responsibilities. And next one is occipital lobe. It receives visual information from the eyes. Next organ, spinal cord. It is also one of the main organ in nervous system, right? The spinal cord is also called backbone. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves. It is connected to the brain stem. It is connected to the brain stem. It goes down your back and is protected by the vertebrae of our spine. The nerves emerge from our spinal cord and form a network all over our body, right? The spinal cord acts as relay station, so receiving information from various organs of the body and send it to the brain. Without spinal cord, we cannot sit, we cannot stand, we cannot bend. This is the main function of spinal cord. Okay children, are you understand? Nervous system, the main organs and their functions.